we are going to add, a matter of fact, we are going to make it start marinate from now. So we are add extra, extra. The leverage, the leverage, yeah. The leverage, the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage, alright. The leverage, yeah. Well, welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. I don't know, say your boy Eclips. I don't know what have Dominic there. And today, we see from the last previous challenge video, we soon say, yo, Hot Wings channel. So, today, we have Hot Wings. We have 7 and we have 2 in this. So, we're going to see who finish faster the first 7 wings them. And then, we're going to add, a matter of fact, we're going to make it start marinate from now. So, we add extra extra sauce to it. I mean 2 extra sauce to it are extra hot. So whosoever lose have to go
Put more sauce on it.
consume that more. Alright. So that extra hot. So well, I'm show them how I go on. See it there? See it the leverage nation and a joke thing, you see? So I make it sit and marinate. So we're not gonna do no timer. We just have to see who first finish. These are the extra hot wings. And you know if we can see it right now. Let me see if it focus. You can see it's extra hot. If anything me put it up, take a picture and put it up on the screen. But yeah. So this is a challenge on who first finish the 7 wings. The loser have to eat the 2. The 2. So you ready? If you say ready?
I'm ready.
The extra hot, you know?
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
I know. Alright, so we're gonna start in the next 5 seconds.
Yeah.
And no water.
No water.
That's the rules, no water. So we'll finish it and do it. So leverage nation, already only thing going. So alright, challenge I can start in a 5 seconds. You see me? Ready?
I'm ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, let's go.
Hold on.
Let me have a clean, you know. Clean. After. Because I want bite that texture. Let me clean. I ramp on. I clean out them, yeah. Rock can't fall. No man, hello. No, I can't fall. It's full of It's full of It's full of
Mm-hmm. Mm-mm.
I have this coffee. But I'm saying hot, but I like the spice.
With them do tough, man.
That's the excuse.
The excuse.
What you say about hot? I know I start to sweat, you know.
You had
Yeah, hot,
7
but
out
you-
of 10.
Yeah, me expect hot, but you know hot. But you're gonna know hot. Cause I'm done before you. I'm there, wait. See the leverage nation. I forgot mash up them two there. Tell me what I want the taste.
Yo.
What?
Yeah.
Go to work, man.
We knock off this man.
Knock off what?
Oh.
How it tastes? You have to describe how it tastes, you know.
Hotness not kicking it, man.
Nah, kick in.
I'm kicking it.
You look like a cake walk, man. Dust up your teeth.
I feel let me check. Oh gosh, man.
In a hot, man. In a hot.
At least.
You can mash up hot wings, man. Double pepper, plus hot.
Hot, man.
Yeah,
Get on and I know that did.
You hot?
Yo.
You're in a hot, man. Yeah, them now.
Hot,
No
man.
water.
Hot, man.
The extra Yeah? Yeah, run water.
Yeah, man. I tell you, hot, man.
Well, I don't expect it. Honestly, I buy extra hot. But I don't expect them for hotter than that still. Better we just put this in it and just eat as a competition.
But they do that, man.
It's like a go extra hot that the taste swing then so they have and thing. But I mean, you know, clean it up.
I mean, pepper not really hot, I just had for my lip.
Just hot by your lip.
Yeah.
I feel say, it could have wait. I feel like make you hang the spice because they could have wait hotter than that. But I taste one we get, not remember where place we get it from, but You have anything to tell them? Ask them what challenge you want to see next time.
Alright. Which challenge you don't want to see next time? Put in the comment section. One leverage.
That a leverage, man. Until next time, Leverage Nation. We don't expect one after wings, but I guess with tolerance high. So that a leverage. Until next time. Or do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, tell a friend. You know the leverage. Leverage, leverage, leverage. We're out.